Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaste, Namaskar, and a very, very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Shweta Shekhar, and I will be your MC for this wonderful and exciting launch event. It is my pleasure to welcome you here this morning, and I would like to thank you on behalf of Fuji Electric for joining with us today for this special launch event. So for those of you who weren't able to join as well on time or feel like you've missed out and have people who know that they may not be able to attend, please tell them to join us on the YouTube Fuji Electric page. They can join the live channel from wherever they are. In case they're not sitting at home, they can always avail the mobile as well. So moving on to the first segment, I would like to invite Mr. Prashant Pendurkar, Associate Vice President, Channel Sales, to say a few words about our new product launch.
Thank you, Shweta. A very good morning to all of you. I would like to thank each and every one of you for being with us today. We're very pleased to be able to welcome those of you who are with us very long time, and as well as who are newly associated. Today, we are going to introduce a product which is designed specifically for channel. It is going to be our first ever UPS from Japanese company that is in India. We are very thrilled by your presence today. Please be with us for next 40 minutes to experience no power to now power.
Thank you very much, sir, for your wonderful insight. Moving right along, it is now my pleasure to introduce our guest speaker, Mr. Deena Dayalan KG, Country Head Sales, to share a few words.
Thank you, Shweta. Good morning to all. I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank all the participants for being part of this event. I hope you and your family members are fine and safe from the COVID. To move forward, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our esteemed channel partners for being with us for all the years and extended support given to us through the toughest pandemic year also in the past. Despite the pandemic, we have seen the robust growth in our business performance, and the demand for our energy division products are increased, especially for IT/ATS and SOHO segment. Keeping this new development, we have recently tied up with a couple of national distributors to strengthen our channel business to reach the deeper market to fulfill the demand of the consumer segment. To boost our channel business, we have developed a product which is specially designed for IT/ATS and SOHO segment, and it will be unveiled in a couple of minutes from now. Once again, on behalf of Fuji Electric, I would like to thank you for your presence on this product launch, which is going to be the key game changer for the Fuji Electric to penetrate more stronger into the channel product business. I'm sure with all your collaborative business association, this journey is going to be more interesting to achieve our business objective together. Happy selling and thank you.
ரொம்ப நன்றி சார், உங்களோட சில வார்த்தைகளுக்காக. தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். உங்களோட யாராவது ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இருந்தாங்கன்னா அண்ட் அவங்க வந்து இப்போதைக்கு இங்கே லைவ் வர முடியலன்னா யூடியூப் சேனலில் ஃபியூஜி எலக்ட்ரிக் லைவ் சேனலில் இது போயிட்டுருக்கு. ஸோ நீங்கள் தயவு செஞ்சு போய் ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். दोस्त या यदि एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते हैं अभी और कहीं और हैं तो अपने फ़ोन से या किसी से भी किसी और तरीके से भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं यूट्यूब लिंक को. फ्यूजी इलेक्ट्रिक लाइव पेज में यही होगा ये. So you not a problem, and you can always access it from wherever you are sitting. All right, and with no further ado, we would now move on to experience our new product and its specs. And for this segment, I would like to invite Mr. Sriram Ramakrishnan, Managing Director, to share a few words and unveil the product.
Yeah, thank you, Shweta. Dear friends, we are living in a very challenging time, but all the signs are that the future will be brighter for all of us in India. We at Fuji Electric are confident about the business potential in India, and we are investing in a big way to scale up our operations. India is a targeted growth market for Fuji Electric, which is a $9 billion Japanese multinational company. Fuji Electric is the leading UPS supplier in Japan and many countries, including in India. In India, we have over 1,000 employees and we supply our UPS for many critical applications in hospitals, data centers, industries, metros, and airports. Our products are supported by a pan-India service network spread across over 100 locations through the length and breadth of the country. Now we are expanding our UPS range for the SOHO and retail segment to ensure customers in this segment also experience the same product reliability and service support that our business customers have been experiencing for over a decade in India. This product will also be an entry-level UPS which will be distributed only through channel partners. And channel partners like all of you will also have access to the extensive power portfolio range of Fuji Electric. I don't want to hold you any further, so let us go ahead and unveil the new UPS product.
Move from no power to now power with Fuji Electric, the leading Japanese UPS company, will now empower your daily lives, empower your work life, entertainment life, your children's learning life with Fuji Electric.
Oh my God, the Minivet looks absolutely amazing, and congratulations to Fuji Electric on behalf of everyone present here on launching this wonderful product for the usage of everyone. It's so easy. Look at it, can be carried, it's portable, it can just be moved around, and it's so sleek and beautiful. So I think it can be used in multiple purposes and situations. So inga venal use pannalam, and that's the best part about this, and it's got a crazy range. But to answer further questions, there is going to be someone important, before which I would like to thank with all my heart. Thank you, Sriram sir, for being present here and talking about the product and launching it as well. I would now like to move on to Mr. Prashant Pendurkar, who's going to come back for a product brief presentation. And right now, I ask you to put up all the questions, concerns, queries, doubts that you have in the chat box. आपको कोई doubts हैं, concerns हैं, तो अपने ये chat box पे ज़रूर लिखिएगा. आपके सवाल के उत्तर ज़रूर दी जाएंगे बाद में. And யாரெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கெல்லாம் questions இருக்கோ, உங்களுக்கு வந்து டவுட்ஸ் இருக்கு, கன்சர்ன்ஸ் இருக்கு, இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் பத்தி ஏதாவது கேட்கணும் அப்படின்னா கேள்விகளுக்கு பதில் உங்களுக்கு கண்டிப்பா கிடைக்கும். உங்களோட சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல வந்து உங்களோட கொஸ்டின்ஸ் டைப் பண்ணுங்க. இப்போதைக்கு நாங்க வந்து ஃபியூ கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எடுப்போம். ஆனா ஐ எம் ஷோர் அந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஆன்சர் பண்றதுக்கு மிஸ்டர் பிரசாந்த் இருந்திருப்பாரு. ஆனா எல்லா கொஸ்டின்ஸும் we can't answer at the moment, but please keep typing your questions on your chat box. It will definitely be answered at some point. And so Mr. Prashant, I request you to come back and give a brief about the product.
Hope you like the spectacular launch of our product. And I will just take a few minutes of you to just a brief about my product now. Ever shining line into UPS from the land of rising sun, that is Japan. State-of-art Japanese technology with consistent innovation and precision. An impressive and aesthetic inbuilt battery version of UPS and batteries. This comes with a 2 years warranty. 600 VA with 7H single battery and 1 kVA with 2 numbers of 7H batteries as an inbuilt option. This is with 3 sockets for output. The features of 3 colored lights indicate the working condition of UPS. The beeps of alarm are kept mild to ensure that they do not disturb or irritate the end customers while working. Alarm can be set as per the requirement of the end user. No alarm on battery mode, but when it reaches to the lower battery, it beeps every second. The alert allows the user to save the data. In case of overload, it alerts with the 2 beeps per second. We are introducing external battery version models, which meets the need of higher load with longer backup solutions. It is offered with a 2 years warranty on UPS as well as batteries. 1 kVA is 12 volt system and 2 kVA is a 24 volt system, which is offered with 3 and 4 sockets respectively and designed to support long backup with a charger of a 10 ampere. Other features of the UPS remain same for a complete range. Our extensive service network is widely spread across the country. It is equipped with to support 630 districts. We can reach with 3 different easy mode of support, either by scanning QR code or by phone and WhatsApp or through email. This QR code, telephone number and email ID are mentioned on the box of UPS as well as on the product itself. Our sales and distribution partner is Ingram Micro and service partner is TVS Electronics to support you for uninterrupted business and to keep the uptime of our menu at UPS. The product will be promoted through various mediums such as brochures, posters, danglers, push and pull stickers, banners for website as well as for digital advertisement, small WhatsApp videos. We will also do a customized glow sign board for our partners. We are going to advertise in prominent magazines all across countries. This will help us to establish our brand in IT sector. Various exciting schemes will be launched at regular intervals to support you. This will enable us to improve sales through our ND. We would like to announce an introductory scheme such as buy 10 and get 1 free. We appreciate the valuable support extended by you. It has been instrumental to us at Fuji Electric. I deeply believe that with your continued support, the sales of Minivac UPS can be scaled to a greater extent. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir, for this wonderful speech and presentation. It was really nice. And what's in fact amazingly surprising is that there's a scheme for all channel partners. So for 10 products, you get a product free, and what better offer to have on this launch day. So now I've seen that there are so many people who have asked so many questions. So let's move on to the Q&A session. The very first question is from Mr. Sudhanshu from Delhi. And the question is, what is the warranty period for this UPS?
Mr. Sudhanshu, warranty period is for 2 years. That is both on UPS and batteries.
Thank you, sir. And since we have a lot of questions, I may not be able to take up a lot of them, but we move on to the second question. I'll try my best to do as many as possible. So the next question is from Mr. Palani from Chennai, and the question is, does the warranty apply on the battery as well? I repeat, does the warranty apply on the battery as well?
Yes, yes. In our case, the warranty is applied in battery also.
Thank you, sir. And we quickly move on to the third question, and this is from Mr. Krishnan from Hyderabad, and his question is, what kind of warranty is applied? Is it on-site warranty or return to bench?
Yeah, I feel very proud to say, to answer this question, is this is purely an on-site warranty. We have equipped and to have a capabilities to do on-site warranty all across India. It's completely on-site warranty.
Thank you very much, sir. And we move on to the second last question. I know we have a lot of questions, but I'm really sorry, I can only pick a few. So the next question is from Mr. Pawan Singh from Kanpur, and the question is, what is the battery content in 600 VA and 1000 VA?
Yeah. In 600 VA, we have one number of 7H battery, and in 1000 VA, we have two numbers of 7H batteries.
Thank you very much, sir. And now for the final question. And this is all the way from Mumbai from Mr. Richard. And the question is there any scheme planned for the channel partners? I repeat, is there any scheme planned for the channel partners?
Yes, yes, sure. There is a very good scheme we have come out with. That is a 10+1. You buy a 10 unit, any of our combination of 10 units of our minivat, you'll get one minivat 600 VA free. This is a very limited offer. This is just an introductory offer.
Thank you very much, sir. It was wonderful to have you here and for this wonderful presentation et al. And I'll see you, audience, again soon.
Thank you. Thank you for all of your interesting questions. I know there are many more to come, but we cannot take it up due to a time constraint. But yes, please do write us, and I will see to it that personally I will revert to you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Prashant sir, for patiently answering all those questions. And now is the time to reveal one of the most exciting segment of this morning. We will now have a spin wheel contest for which we have lucky draw vouchers valued up to rupees 5,000. So I encourage you all to partake in it by clicking on the link that's available. Ek link aayega chat box pe. Please click that link and then you go on to spin the wheel. Lekin uske pehle you have to put in your number and the number will get validated. So the number that you actually put in should be the number that you registered for this program with. Wahi number use karna, adhe number podunga. So basically in the link chat box la irukra link la poi click பண்ணுங்க. ஒரு spin wheel window open ஆகும். அதுல வந்து உங்களோட நம்பரை பதிவு செய்யுங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் it will take you to further steps. Alright? And during this process, validate your mobile number. Do not forget to do that. Put the same number that you actually used for registration purposes. All right. And yes. So once you're done with that, you can also click on the spot offers. So what are these spot offers? Another Mammothean surprise is that there's amazing spot offer bookings and that you can avail today. So if you are here today, registered and attending this program, only then you will be able to get this spot offer. Okay, the offers are Book 10 units now and get an instant discount for rupees 500 plus one free unit in existing scheme. Book 20 units now and get one 600 VA minivat free along with 2 free units in existing scheme. This is over and above the 10 plus 1 offer that's already provided. Alright. So people, there are enough offers going on. Today spot offer இப்போவே புக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா எல்லாமே டிஸ்கவுண்டோட வரப்போகுது, எக்ஸ்ட்ராவா வரப்போகுது. உங்களுக்கு 10 யூனிட் புக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா 500 rupees டிஸ்கவுண்ட்டும் கிடைக்கும். அதுக்கு மேல அதுக்கு இல்லாம ஒரு 1 free யூனிட்டும் கிடைக்கும். And 20 units புக் பண்ணா உங்களுக்கு 1 minivat 600 VA free கிடைக்கும் and 2 free units in existing scheme. वो भी इतने सारे ऑफर्स हैं, जो भी आपको चाहिए आप बुक कर सकते हैं. तो अभी पहले आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, अपना नंबर लिखना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद फॉर्म फिल करो और फीडबैक में चार सवाल आएंगे, उसके जवाब दीजिए और उसके बाद स्पिन कीजिए. पता नहीं आपका नंबर लगेगा कि नहीं, शायद आएगा. बहुत सारे ऑफर्स हैं, बहुत सारे प्राइजेस भी हैं, तो जरूर स्पिन कीजिए और नंबर याद कीजिए. And terms and conditions for the spot offer is that each partner can claim any one offer. तो दो offers हैं, इसमें सिर्फ एक offer आप ले सकते हो and this has to be booked and billed before 31st of August. So जल्दी कीजिए. And the above offer is applicable only once for each partner. That is, you cannot avail it more than once. So you can avail either one of the offers. ஏதா ஒரு ஆஃபர் எடுக்கலாம் and ஒரு பார்ட்னருக்கு ஒரு ஆஃபர் மட்டும்தான், ஒரு ஆஃபரை ஒரு வாட்டி மட்டும்தான் எடுக்க முடியும். ஓகே. And I told. And so இது வந்து ரெகுலர் 10+1 ஆஃபர் மீதி இது இன்னொரு ஆஃபர். ஓகேவா? ஸோ நீங்கள் 10 வாங்கினீங்கன்னா ஒன்று வந்து எனிவே நீங்கள் சேனல் பார்ட்னர்னால கிடைக்கும். ஆனால் இது அதுக்கு மீறி ஒரு ஆஃபர். ஸோ யூ கேன் ஆல்சோ டூ போத் ஆஃபர்ஸ். ஆல்ரைட். And we'll wait for the results to come. In the meanwhile, we'll watch a video. All right, so the jackpot winners have come immediately. We're not even going for the video. We're immediately going in for the jackpot winners. And so yes, the wheel is back and I'm super excited to announce these winners. All right, I am going to go to the front and look at the names. Because so I can read Mr. Vivek Srivastav, Mr. G. Srinivas, Mr. Savant, and Mr. Mahavir. All right. Congratulations to all you winners. Really, it's amazing that you all have won this out of so many people who have registered today. I heard there are close to 1,700 registrations right from the beginning. I think it was crazy and amazing. So 4 of you all have won and many of you others have also won your gift vouchers. If you wait for a little while and check in your email, you might be surprised. So those of whose names are not here, நீங்க கொஞ்ச நேரம் கழிச்சு உங்களோட email பாருங்க. நீங்க கண்டிப்பா ஏதாவது ஜெயிச்சிருந்தீங்கன்னா அதுல வரும் உங்களுக்கு. So that'll be great. And so congratulations people. I now invite Mr. Prashant Pendurkar to give us the thank you note.
Thank you, Shweta.
How can I read
Once again, on behalf of Fuji Electric, I would like each one of you to be a part of this event. Hope you enjoyed the show. We also want to convey our sincere appreciation for the event organizer as well as our national distributor Ingram Micro for making this event successful. We couldn't have done it without you. Once again, I would like to thank each one of you for sparing your valuable time with us. Thank you once again. Thank you very much.
so much people for joining with us today. It was a super crisp, super amazing event. We had the beautiful launch of a mini vet, and thank you so much for joining with us. May you grow in business. May you have many more projects and clients. I wish you all from the bottom of my heart, and let us together join hands and overcome this crazy pandemic, and let's all meet in person soon enough. Thank you very much. Jai Hind and